Okay. This is one of the poems that I'm dedicating to all my brethren and sisters on this journey of a lifetime. I grew up in Kankakee, Illinois. It's about 54 miles south of Chi-Town, Chicago. And so, when I was in 6th grade, I always have loved words, not just writing them and speaking, but speaking them too. But I remember typing on my little Smith Corona typewriter this poem. I'm not quite sure where it come from, but it's been with me all the time. It's called A Long Time Ago. Can I get a little drum beat in the back, George? You got your drum out? You got the djembe? Somebody got the drum? It'll be good to get a little drum beat, a little something, something. Keep me on point, and I'll give you a moment to do that. I love that George, who is our brother who joins us on the journey, we call him the Bogolan man.
The mudcloth man.
The mudcloth man. Bogolan Feeney out of Mali. He imports that Bogolan and that mudcloth for coats and hats and purses, and you'll get a chance to see that. So that's who's beating that drum back there, okay? Thank you. A long time ago. Give me a little boom, boom, boom. Oh, you getting it? Are you gonna play too? Oh, okay, you just unwrapped it.
What's the rhythm?
Oh, good. Well, whatever you give me, I'll, yeah. Reggae's good. Just
6/8?
6/8? I don't know 6/8.
Yeah, what you say?
Okay, yeah, 6/8 is perfect. Yeah. Okay, go ahead with the 6/8.
I'll let you start.
Okay, a long time ago. Give me a little boom. Boom. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. A long time ago.
In front of us. You want to hold on tight.
Okay, my way. We're on bumpy roads.
Perfect. Caution, seatbelt sign out.
Okie dokie.
That's why I didn't want
Turbulence.
We're undergoing a little turbulence. Yeah, let's navigate this course in divine order. Yeah. No, not right now. Let's wait.
Yeah, as soon as